Hey, hi, hello, welcome back to Katie Vision, and hey, what's up? If you are new here, my name is Katie, and as you can see from the title or the thumbnail of this video, I have a few makeup products I wanted to share with you today. In my past videos, I have shared so many clothing items, and I have shared so many makeup products and other products, I feel like, as well. I figured it was about time I talked to you about how I've been liking some of them. I'm pretty sure I've shared these products in the past, or at least mentioned that I purchased them, and I just wanted to give you a little review. And these are all products that I have really come to like, that I have fully incorporated into my everyday makeup routine. And that's something I'm thinking now, maybe I should do an updated one. So I found some really nice products. Well, they were recommended to me, and I'm so glad that they were because I've really come to like them. Stay tuned if you want to see the application of them. I have all of the products on my face right now. So stay tuned if you want to see me apply those, and I'll let you know now that I definitely recommend every product that I'm talking about in this video. All right, so enough of me blabbing. Keep watching if you want to see how these products apply, and I think you'll understand why I am making a video about them. All right, hey guys, so pretty obvious that I'm filming in my bathroom. I thought it would offer some better lighting for the purpose of this video. So the first product I am sharing with you is one that I have really come to appreciate. I have tried so many different concealers and just trying to find the right formula to work with my under eyes just to cover up some of this darkness. And this product has easily become a favorite for me, and I use it every single day. This is the Correction Concentrate Brightening Peach color. So it comes in a little pot like this. I've used this before. I think I took a little break from it, or maybe I just forgot about it. But my brother actually recommended this because I think I was talking to him about how I keep trying to find a concealer that will actually brighten up my under eyes. It comes in this little pot, and I've experimented with a brush, with a sponge to kind of blend this in, but I have found my favorite way to put this on is just using my fingers. So I am just going to I'm going to show you the products on just one side of my face, and then I'll probably end up doing my whole face at some point, but I just really want you to see the before and after and to really see how these products transform your face. So here we go with the first one. I like to just go in my finger, kind of rub it around and dab it, and then I do like to warm it up between my fingers. And it's pretty buildable too. Usually I'll go in with as much as I need to just conceal and brighten some of that darkness. Now, it's not going to cover absolutely everything. Like you can see my pretty distinct under eyes, but at an angle like this, just look at that transformation. I feel like it does such a nice job. And then from here, after applying some other products, you can use another. I usually put on like another bit of concealer as well. This is just like a brightening corrector, so it's correcting some of that darkness. And then I'll go on with my foundation, and then my typical routine, I will put on another concealer. But this video, for the purpose of this video, I'm just sharing with you the transformation these products make. So I feel like it just does a nice job of brightening up that darkness. All right, so that's the first product. Like I said, it's a really great step. It does a really nice job, especially for those days if you just want to cover up those under eyes a little bit. This is definitely a winner for that purpose. The next product I'm sharing with you is this Milani Conceal and Perfect. I've used this one before. I forgot about it, just like with that other product, I forgot about it. So this is a 2-in-1 foundation and concealer, and it is so buildable. Like, I found that this really conceals. It's a great foundation. It is long wearing, I would say, and you can build it up. You can put a light layer on, or you can just keep building it, and it really provides that coverage. So I'm gonna go ahead and put this on just the right side of my face again, so you can just see the transformation. And I've tried this with a brush, a beauty blender, or a sponge, and I do like it with a sponge. But today, and for the past week, or let's say past 2 weeks, I've actually been using my brush by IT Cosmetics for foundation. So, and I've been taking about a pump of this to cover my whole face, and I've been putting it on my hand. So I'm gonna go ahead and just do like half a pump for the purpose of this shot. And I have the color 02A, and it is creamy natural, and it does well for my skin. Now that it is fall, I'm not getting as much sun, but I probably do have some lingering color from the summertime. But moving into the winter, I might have to get a lighter shade, but for now this color has just been rocking for me. So all right, so again, I'm just gonna take my brush, dab it onto the foundation that I have on the back of my hand. I feel like this just helps it like warm it up a little bit. And I am gonna do my best to just keep this on the right side of my face, just so you can see the comparison, just to see how well it covers and how well I feel like it's been pairing with this correcting product for my under eyes. I'm gonna go ahead and put a little bit more on just to show you how you can really build it up, especially in those areas. Like I have quite a bit of redness. Well, not quite a bit, but I have some redness that I deal with. I do have pretty acne prone skin. I've had a breakout every now and then, but this has done such a nice job of what it says it does. Conceals. And I have found too that when I'm using my brush, I think I used to do more like I would swipe and like pull the product around, but it has become just better for me to just kind of pounce, just like you would with a sponge. That pouncing motion has helped me really set that product in place. Okay, so again, no product. And again, I'm just giving you my honest opinion. Why keep them to myself, you know? All right, and the last product I'm sharing with you today, before we close this one out. Okay, so the last one is an eyebrow product. If you've been watching, you know I've hooked on my e.l.f. Instant Eye Lift brow pencil in the color taupe. I continue to use that, and I probably will for a while. But this product that my brother told me about by NYX, the Professional Makeup Lift and Snatch Brow Tint Pen in the color ash brown, and I've really come to like this. There's definitely a learning curve because I found that I had to get the technique down, and I'm still working on perfecting it because it is a pen, it's not a pencil. And I feel like you have to be a little more careful with your strokes. You can't just like with my pencil, I would just kind of, with this, I feel like I have to be a little more careful. But before putting it on, I'm just taking a spoolie from a different brow product to kind of brush the hairs up and kind of put them in place where they want them to be, because with this pen, I'm just gonna go in because it's like adding just like hair-like strokes to the brow to just kind of fill in those areas. So bear with me here. Like I said, I'm still learning, but I just want to give you an idea of what this is like if you are one who is wanting to get this product for yourself. So I like to go ahead and shape the brow. I'm gonna kind of look in the mirror too though. So I do like to get that initial shape of the brow and just very gently get that on, because Like, look at how that already, just that definition it adds. And I do already have pretty dark eyebrow hairs. It's a little bit darker than actually the hair on my head. I have more of like a light blonde or light brown. My hair feels a lot warmer. This color, ash brown, I feel like kind of ties in the warmth of my hair with my brows, with my brow hair. At first I thought this was a little too dark, and I think it is very easy for it to look a little too intense without a light hand. So I've learned to just do those gentle little strokes. All right, and the last step with this, I just like to gently draw some like little hair-like strokes to make them stand up a little bit in the middle there. And there we go. It's gonna bug me so much to not like do this side just yet. I do, again, this is a spoolie that's from a different eyebrow product, the pen. The pen does not come with a spoolie on one end, which it's not a huge deal. I feel like I could totally leave it alone and not do this last step because the pen makes it look so hair-like. I feel like you don't really have to take the time to blend it back in, but I think because I do have the spoolie on hand, I'm like, why not use it? So there we go. All right, so the before, after. So I've just really come to like these products, and let me know if you'd like an updated routine where I do a complete face, where I finish off like my eyes and everything, but I really just wanted you to see these products on their own and let them have their own spotlight. They fit in so well with my normal routine. So when I go ahead and add my bronzer or my blush, it fits in so well. I'm gonna go ahead and just do the same thing on this side that I did over here, and then we'll close out this video. All right, and I did add just like a little bit of my favorite mascara, which is the Telescopic Mascara by L'Oreal. Just to kind of complete the look. I'm not doing a full-on look. I won't be doing my brush. I won't be doing like blush or bronzer or anything like that. I just wanted to really showcase those 3 products that I just shared. That is all for today's video. If you liked it, please give this video a thumbs up. It lets me know you enjoyed it. And if you haven't already, please consider subscribing to my channel because it really does support me. Thanks so much for watching. Take care, guys. I'll see you in my next one.